The Toronto Zoo, located in Toronto, Ontario, is one of the largest zoos in the world and is home to over 5,000 animals representing more than 450 species. The zoo covers 287 hectares, 710 acres, and features various habitats including the African Savanna, the Indo-Malaya, the Tundra Trek, and the Canadian Domain, each designed to mimic the animals' natural environments. Key highlights of the Toronto Zoo include 1. Conservation efforts. The zoo is heavily involved in wildlife conservation and research, working to protect endangered species and their habitats. 2. Education programs. The Toronto Zoo offers educational programs for all ages, focusing on animal care, conservation, and the environment. 3. Interactive experiences. Visitors can participate in various interactive experiences, including animal encounters and behind-the-scenes tours. 4. Seasonal events. The zoo hosts special events throughout the year, such as zoo lights during the winter holidays and various educational workshops. 5. Accessibility. The zoo is designed to be accessible to all visitors, with pathways and facilities for those with mobility challenges. The Toronto Zoo is not only a great place to see animals, but also an important center for education and conservation efforts. Have you ever visited, or are you planning a trip?
Capybara. Let's just start. We always end with the capybara.
Visiting the Toronto Zoo can be a fantastic experience for several reasons. 1. Diverse animal exhibits. The zoo is home to over 5,000 animals representing more than 450 species, allowing visitors to see a wide variety of wildlife from around the world. 2. Conservation efforts. The Toronto Zoo is dedicated to conservation and education. By visiting, you can learn about the zoo's efforts to protect endangered species and their habitats. 3. Interactive experiences. The zoo offers various interactive experiences, such as animal encounters, feeding sessions, and behind-the-scenes tours, making it a fun and engaging visit. 4. Beautiful landscapes. The zoo is set in a beautiful natural environment, featuring walking trails, gardens, and scenic views that enhance the overall experience. 5. Family-friendly activities. There are plenty of activities for families, including play areas, educational programs, and seasonal events that make it a great destination for all ages. Number 6. Research and education. The zoo plays a significant role in research and education, providing valuable information about wildlife and environmental issues, which can enrich your visit. Overall, the Toronto Zoo offers a unique blend of education, entertainment, and conservation, making it a worthwhile destination for animal lovers and families alike. Have you been to any zoos before?
Oh, excuse me, sorry, you're just in the middle of a course. If you can stay back, thank you.
Where are the bears?
Keep looking, you might run a lick. There's one up there at the top. There. Come on, Ben. Stand with that. I can be faster than you. Wow. I'll do 5 seconds stop.
Plank!
Here. Here. Huh? 5 seconds stop.
Yeah.
They're over there.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, they're all over there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, see you soon.
I wish I could get closer. So like I wish I could zoom right in.
Look at the running wolf.
We're resting after the 10K, but we'll start running after you in a minute.